Hi, I'm Vishal.
Hi, I'm Shekhar.
We've done the music for Honeymoon Travels Private Limited.
I wanted the song to be a little bit of a non-progressive kind of, like, Javed Sahab was doing the lyrics and he was like, you basically want the doormat lyrics. So I was like, yeah, I want that. And he was like, oh God, I can't believe I'm writing these like.
She had this really cool brief for the Sajna Ji song, which is it's I don't know. She wanted a song lyrically, of course. The brief she gave Javed Sahab was hilarious. She told him she wanted a song about a doormat, uh, which was
Yeah,
that
that's
was
the
fun.
jaundice medicines.
You're gonna have to cut out all this section.
Keep.
Some chap in the background talking shite.
We'll take one more. Can you not go down in this? Can you not go down in this? Yeah,
Camera assist.
Can you just be like? Can you just be like? Okay, superb. You want one more? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Okay, very nice. Take a lever when I say cut.
A song is always a director's vision, at least on script level. When they put a song situation, I as a choreographer have nothing to do with that. The director decides where the song will come, who will sing it, what is happening in the song.
1, 2, 3, 4. मेरी धड़कन में तू, मेरे तन मन में तू, मेरी सांसों में energy, everybody. चमके कचरा, तू है तो महके कचरा, तेरे बिना ना पाऊं जी मैं, तेरे बिना ना जीना पाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है। सजना दीवारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना दीवारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है। ना लगा पाऊं जी मैं, ना लगा पाऊं जी मैं, तो मेरा जीना ही बेकार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है।
I really liked the track and the shoot was really fun. Farah choreographed it and really Farah's fabulous. She's really superb. You know what I'm saying? She's really clued in. She knows exactly how to, like, what she wants, how to get it. It was a dream.
मैंने बहुत पहले रीमा को प्रॉमिस किया था कि जब वो अपनी फर्स्ट फिल्म बनाएगी, I will definitely come and do at least one song for her.
No, you please don't be in frame. You're looking like a lobster. Put some guys, girl over there. 2, 3, 4.
Cut. Nothing is happening. All makeup and hair are fucking roaming in the frame.
Sound, everyone dancing. Got it. Okay, very nice. Wow, what shocking. Well, lovely. Thanks for your cooperation and your dancing expertise, Shabana.
For saving us one day.
Yay!
Very clear, very assertive. Small, but a dynamite.
first most important thing is that the writing style of it is extremely novel. I have yet to hear a script, be sent a script, or think of a script that is written the way she's written it.
उनमें ये ability है, ये खासियत है कि वो ये तय कर सकते हैं कि this is not going to work and I cannot let time be sacrificed, तो उसका alternative जल्दी से वो ढूंढ देती हैं।
रीमा is I think mad.
मतलब पागल ही होगी रीमा जो इतने सारे एक्टर्स को एक साथ लाके वो अपनी पहली फिल्म बना रही है।
And it's just a combination of all these things that make it a very very interesting film, and it mainly stems from her writing abilities.
I really think she's mad. She thinks she's very serious and she's everything, but I think Reema's mad.
5-6 साल इस इंडस्ट्री में हो जाने के बावजूद मुझे अभी तक एक डायरेक्टर ने एक फ्रेशनेस के साथ विजुअलाइज किया।
Reema is a very talented baby doll.
I love Reema because she was on Dil Chahta Hai and she was screaming and shouting there. I love women who do it for me. I don't have to do that.
प्रोड्यूसर के लिए ऐसा डायरेक्टर तो बहुत ही लाजवाब।
I don't think it's an easy task to direct your first film with 12 actors and still make it within a certain amount of budget.
I love the way with which she is so forthright.
She's a very difficult actress. I will bark at you.
She's got amazing levels of energy.
रीमा का जो एंथुसियाज्म है और वो जो इंटरेस्ट है और जो आइडियाज़ हैं उसको देख करके मुझे लगा कि शायद मुझे ये फिल्म करनी चाहिए।
We are really happy because whatever was on script, she's translated that onto screen as well.
I mean, we're all very proud of Reema and the film that she's made.
I was really lucky in terms of a lot of who were my friends. Literally, like, I mean, first of all, my best friends, Zoya Akhtar, Arjun Bhasin, Avan Contractor, who are really my best friends in life.
They were so down to earth and they knew their work. Essentially, everybody was a professional and they kind of came with this professional front, and as soon as we started work with them, that kind of broke down and you got to know them personally as well. Each one of them, you went through that process. And there's Avan.
Avan is one hard-working girl. She's always at your hair.
She's a great hairstylist. As you can see, she's doing a great job throughout the film. And there she is. That's the lady herself.
Virginia was like mama. You know, if you had any problems, you go to Virginia, so to speak. Natasha's gorgeous. You just can't take your eyes off the way she looks. You know, so you can't concentrate on she's doing a makeup look.
I give you instruction every bloody day about hair. It's really not my job.
Arjun is one of those designers who gets the character bang on. Just कि जब मैं कॉस्ट्यूम खुद पहनती थी मुझे लगता है चलो मैं पिंकी बन ही गई।
It's a flashback sequence and it's before she goes into full Pinky mode, which is what she's on the film. She's in mostly all pink.
I mean, I don't know, it was very funny. I think the key crew kind of got it, but a lot of people didn't get it. You know what I'm saying? Like the makeup boys were like, क्या कपड़ा पिलाया है, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely, I looked absolutely terrible, which is what I was needed to look. We all look perfectly terrible, exactly the way we should be.
Someone came and asked, ये फिल्म का कैमरामैन कौन है? तो ये है, तो ये नहीं चलेगा। What do you mean ये नहीं चलेगा? This is the DOP.
She's very sweet, doesn't talk too much, she's very quiet, very engrossed in her work, and hopefully she'll make me look beautiful.
अरे कोई इसको रोको।
एक कर
फोटोग्राफी अगर आप उसे देखो तो इतनी छोटी सी नाजुक सी लिटिल माउस जैसे क्यूट लड़की लगती है और उसको फिर देखो कि स्टेडी कैम के शॉट में और कैमरा अपने कंधों पे लेके घूम रही है। मैं एकदम शॉक होती थी कि दीप्ति, लेकिन उसका काम इतना अच्छा है और क्योंकि वो खुद औरत है तो शी न्यू हाउ टू फ्रेम अ वुमेन, एस्थेटिक सेंस भी खूबसूरत है बहुत।
मर्द और औरत एक दूसरे से अलग होते हैं। मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि बेहतर होते हैं या बदतर होते हैं, लेकिन अलग होते हैं। और उसमें ख़ास तौर से औरतों की जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एबिलिटी है वो मर्दों से मुख्तलिफ है। उनका जो सेंस ऑफ डिटेलिंग है वो अलग है, और उसकी जितनी भी खूबियाँ हैं इस फिल्म को यकीनन वो हासिल हुई हैं।
Dipti has a really quiet way, about her and stuff, but she always really bang on. She doesn't show much emotions or whatever. Plus, I think her personality is really suited. I'm very volatile, and Dipti is very calm, so we kind of balanced each other out.
Okay, it's a full-moon crew, so what does she do? Okay, that's the director, that's the ED, that's the first ED, that's the second ED, that's production, and that's the DOP. And I was like, is she like of illegal age? That was my first. She's so tiny, she's so cute.
One thing I know that she has extremely strong hands. She used to actually lift lights and run around point in time, and I was impressed with her.
Dipti was really, really helpful. Like I got a lot to learn from her because she would communicate a lot with actors too.
Shit! We're gonna have an accident, man.
How? शिल्पा, ये तुम क्या कर रही हो? शिल्पा!
It's a picture wrap.
Camera still rolling. Camera still rolling.
That's the main thing. Thank you.
जिस तरह से फिल्म बनी है, जिस माहौल में बनी है, वो इसकी सबसे मज़ेदार बात लगी है। 20 साल का मुझे इंतज़ार करना पड़ा ये देखने के लिए कि अब हिंदुस्तान में भी फाइनली इस तरह की फिल्में बन रही हैं।
I was recently asked by someone, is it important for good people to make a good film? I think it is, because I think it's all the goodness and all the good people that came together on this project that makes it a truly good film.
I hope the film does well. It's mad and it's shot in a mad way, and I think everyone's put in their best.
I just wish everybody enjoys the fantastic ride we all took.
80% of the film's success, in my book, is the journey.
Please, देखो मेरे घर में 3 बच्चे हैं. Please, छोड़ो मुझे. शूटिंग खत्म हो गया.